This letter makes the O sound. Hi kids, welcome back. My name is Auntie Anissa and I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to learn a new sound. Do you know what sound we're going to learn today? We're going to learn this sound. Do you know what sound this letter makes? This letter makes the O sound. Can you say O? Say O. Good job. Remember kids, when you're saying the O sound, you open your mouth wide and it should look like a circle, like this. O. Are you ready to try again? Okay. Say the O sound. Great job kids. To remember this sound, let's add an action to it. Pretend you are switching a light on and off. So you use your index finger to turn the light on and then to turn the light off. Let's go. On, off. Okay kids, you're doing great. Let's add the sound and the action together. Ready? Let's go. Oh. Kids, you're doing great. Let's play a little game so that we can practice the O sound. I'm going to say some words and you will tell me if you hear the O sound in those words. Hot. Do you hear the O sound in the word hot? Yes, O is in the word hot. Where do you hear it? Do you hear it in the beginning, middle, or end of the word? You're right, kids. O is in the middle of the word. You're doing great. Let's try another word. Lost. Can you hear the O sound in the word lost? Where do you hear the O sound in the word lost? Did you say in the middle of the word? Then you are absolutely right. O is in the middle of the word. Good job. Let's try another word. Book. Do you hear the O sound in the word book? Did you say no? If you did, you are absolutely right. There is no O sound in the word book. Ready for another one? On. Do you hear the O sound in the word on? Great. O is in the word on. Where is it? Where is the O sound? If you said at the beginning, you are absolutely right. One more word. Off. Do you hear the O sound in the word off? If you said yes, you are right. O is at the beginning of the word off. Kids, you are doing so well. I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work and keep practicing your sounds so that you will remember them. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and I love you.